The breadcrumbs bar is a crucial navigational element in Thrive Architect, serving as a roadmap of the page design structure. Located at the top of the editor, up here, it displays a nested hierarchy of elements from the most general to the most specific. When you select an element on your page, the breadcrumbs bar updates to reflect its position within the page's design architecture. For example, if I click on text, watch how this changes. After clicking on text, the breadcrumbs bar has updated to say text within a content box, within a column, within columns, and so on and so forth. This feature allows you to quickly switch focus between parent and child elements, streamlining the editing process. So once again, to utilize the breadcrumbs bar, click on any segment of the breadcrumbs to select that element in the editor. For example, if I click on text on the page, I have text up here as the final element of the breadcrumbs bar. But I can click on column to see the column that text is within. And I can click on columns to see the two columns that are side by side together, in this case the image and the text, to make up that columns. Or I can head all the way to the block to see the block, the most general section, that those columns, the image, the text, all of that stuff is within. Take advantage of the breadcrumbs bar to understand how elements are grouped, which will aid in the organization of your content. Remember, the breadcrumbs bar is not just a selector. It's a powerful tool to visualize and navigate the structure of your content, ensuring that even the most complex or even disorganized designs remain manageable.